Hi, my name is Mike Rubin. I'm a General Assembly Web Development Immersive student demonstrating my Project 2 full stack project application. My project is a portfolio management system which will enable users to create collections of website projects that can be joined together as a portfolio. Here you are looking at a completed portfolio. Let me show you some of the features of this portfolio management system. On the left is the user section. Here you'll see the name of the person, the name of the user, an avatar, a picture of the person, and below some future links that may be associated with that user, an about page, a contact page, a link to the resume, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or email. On the right side is the project section. Here the projects are collected together and into the personal portfolio. The portfolio has a title, a description, and a list of projects that are joined to this portfolio. Here the list can scroll. You'll see this side scrolls, and where you have a link, you have a picture of the project, as well as a secondary header and a description of the project. As I said, these have hyperlinks to the actual project themselves. So we can click either the picture or the link up top, and it should bring up the actual application. Here's Mike's crazy costume shop ready for Halloween. We can run the JavaScript, and it's just like that. Now let's look how to create a portfolio. We have three models: users, projects, and portfolios. As you can see from the ERD, the portfolios can have many projects and many portfolios. This many-to-many relationship requires an additional project portfolio table. Now let's go and use the application and create a portfolio from scratch. The first thing when you come to the root page is a sign-on page. Users need to be authenticated to be able to use this product. Once we sign in, we are greeted with a list of users. Users have full CRUD capability. We can add, delete, update all the users. We won't do that here now, but the app does fully implement CRUD for all the users. In order to easily access the user's projects and portfolio, I created a quick access menu. Right here at the top, we have the ability to show the user's projects or portfolio, either by user or all of them here from this one portfolio management system page. Let's show you how we create and add a new project. We go to the projects page, and at the top of the page there's a button that says new project. Here we'll click the button and go to the project entry screen. We need to give it a title. It's called, we're going to add my project 1 project, which was called Hangman. Should have Hangman right there. Okay, the next thing I'd like to do is create a portfolio. Now that we have that new project that I wanted right here, Hangman, the way to create a portfolio is to check the projects that you currently want. So we're going to use Hangman, and I'm going to put Mario's Match Game in there, and I'm also going to put my personal website as well in this one. And to create a portfolio, it's simply a matter of choosing the projects and then press the new user portfolio, and it will show you to our add new portfolio page where we can put in a title for this, and this will be the demonstration portfolio. This is a demonstration portfolio for my project 2, and submit it. let's go back to the main menu and show the user portfolios. And there's the demonstration portfolio, and let's take a look at it. There. I'd like to take a minute to discuss one of the areas I was most proud of. Remember those checkboxes on the projects page? I wanted to use this type of interface to make it quick and easy to create a portfolio. In order to do this, the entire index of the projects had to be a form. Then I linked those to the portfolios page where I had to create a hidden field to hold the list of projects to be added. Then after creating the portfolio records in the Create controller, I added those projects to my many-to-many relationship table. Project portfolio. I wish I had more time to do a better job with my CSS styling, but I concentrated on this main portfolio page and gave the most styling attention to it. I spent too much time designing the screens that I never did implement too. The next feature I'd like to implement would be some statistics that would be kept whenever anyone launches an application to keep track of how many people actually go into the program that says what that portfolio is pointing to. Finally, I want to thank Adrian, Jesse, and Nick for their tremendous help and encouragement in this project. And finally, thanks to all my WDI12 classmates who helped with the many questions throughout the week. Well, until next time, happy coding!